Hi everybody, this is Mike with Accounting for Cycling. Today we'll be opening up the, I don't know how to totally say this, SAEUYVB wax heater. Ideal for a wax melting tool, make candles so easy. So I actually did already open this up, so we don't need my handy dandy Gerber here. I'll set that off the side, at least for now. Mostly just open it up and make sure that I had a wax melter in here to this exact point and was like, yep, that's a wax melter, and was very confused by the gloves that we have here. But was very confused by these gloves that are included. Keep you warm in the winter, I guess. Now, it's almost certainly so that when you're taking the wax bowl out, you don't burn your hands. How nice of them. So you can use this, to melt whatever waxes you want. Here are the quick start instructions. It's pretty quick, pretty simple. It has lights. Red is heating up. Green is you are at the temperature you want. Yeah, and then here's just kind of a visual guide of put the beads in, turn the power on, stir gently. Yeah, anyways, we've got the cover here. So, you can cover this, and then you have your aluminum bowl that can go right in and fits perfect. This is plastic for the handle. I see why they give you these gloves. You can kind of, whatever, mess around with it. Yeah, that seems like it would be enough for a chain and melting wax. And off of a dial, turns, min to max, and off. It's a pretty simple one. Let's see if I can get this to power. Oh no. I've got too many things plugged in. Well. Hey, here we go. All right, and we're back. So, turn it on. You get the little temperature gauge here. And this digital display is where you would set the temperature that you want to reach to melt your wax. Looks like it goes up to 257 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, we're going to turn that off because, well, it's already starting to get a little warm, but I'm not melting wax at this very second. So, yeah, it's a neat little thing. If you really want to, you could probably cook stuff in it too, but that is obviously not its intended purpose. I have heard a lot of people using crock pots, or I think Instapots work as well. If you look on SILCA's website, I think they actually use an Instapot, but they also now sell their own dedicated wax and chain hanging, wax melting, chain dipping, hanging system. I'm trying to put a picture of it, like right here. But that is also $100 US, and this was 20. So I would have to find a way to hang the chain, but from what I have read and seen and heard, you can just use a metal wire. But yeah, I'll check this out. If somebody truly wants me to check out the SILCA specific one, when they are in stock, hit like, subscribe, keep watching more of my videos. Or if you really feel up for it, you can, you can do a super, I think it's like right here, like a super gift or something like that, and it will actually just send me money through YouTube. I'm sure they take a chunk of it, but probably less than direct ad revenue. But anyways, if you like this video so far, hit like, hit subscribe for more content, and we'll do some follow-ups on this once I really kind of put it through the ringer and toss chain and see how the waxing goes. So if you buy one of the kind of fancier, more expensive waxing kits, it may actually come with the thingy for this. This is just meant to hang your chain so that you can literally just dip it into the wax. So it'll be this piece here, and SILCA's website said you're supposed to do like every 8 links, and then you just like dip the chain into the wax. So think what we need to do next is consult with possibly their website. Always use the recommended melting. Got it. Helpful. Oh. The strip chip actually has the directions right on the back. Strip factory grease chain in your ultimate chain waxing system. This is not the ultimate chain waxing system from SILCA. That's their like red one that also has a little bucket dealy. Yeah. Don't know if theirs came with gloves though. I will have these ready, but then it's got a hanger to like actually they provide you with their dangly thingy, which I will likely forget to actually put the correct name in this video of what it actually is, but we'll just keep calling it the dangly thingy. So the dangly thingy here, and actually this kind of works out perfect now. So, hey. Bajillion% overkill to use a overhead camera mount. But hey, if it works, it works. We are, however, going to kind of set up our little station here a little bit more because I have sneaking suspicion there will be some dripped wax that will drip outside of our container. So let's keep that there. Okay, it's official. We have opened our secret chain blend here. Hey, something that's actually possibly helpful. All right, cool. We are zeroed. See if we can even get remotely close to as much as we'll need. It's not looking like it. So, I mean, it'll probably melt together. These are also like, they look like little tiny chocolate chips, but definitely not chocolate chips you want to eat. All right, so that's 273 grams, and we need the chain to fit in there too. Okay, it says 300 grams in here. Okay, you know what? I think we're pretty close. Open up our not candy bar here, our strip chip. It's the secret sauce. So it really does though. It looks kind of like a candy bar, but with some little SILCA seals on it and some other things. You know, we are going to do though, we are going to break this in the baggie so as not to make a mess. $286. We'll call that good for now. Ooh, the ultimate chain waxing system apparently starts at 75 C, and this is in Fahrenheit. All right, let's do some quick conversion here. 125 C to F, 57 degrees. Nice. Maxed it out. Cool. So, while that's going, we're going to take our dangly thingy here. And even before we put a bunch of wax on it, gotta zero this out. Change that 237 grams. Let's see if we can get this here. So, cool. All right, so this might be my least favorite part so far. It's fishing the chain through this thingy. Oh, no, that one's way too short. There we go. Scoot on over. There we go. Nice. Look at that. Super exhilarating, I know. I feel like we could do without the little plastic arms. Yeah, so we're gonna let that keep melting here, and I will be back shortly. All right, so the time has come. We get to gently raise this. Ooh. Try and get all the drippage into the melter. Turn this off. The wax melter seems to be doing a great job, so that's awesome. My little hanger dealie, I think just needs to be ever so slightly thinner, so I can actually, put the chain deeper in. Let's take you mobile here. All right, but as far as the actual wax application, looks like it turned out pretty good. Nice and even. I don't know if it's supposed to be nice and even. Still got some drippy stuff dripping, but yeah. And that looks kind of cool, but also weird. Overall, though, I thought it worked spectacularly well. This thing it's great, and it was 20 bucks. So as long as you can figure out how to make your own, is it not hanger dealie? Cable coupler. As long as you can figure out how to make your own cable coupler and something to dangle the chain off of, yeah, it works great. So cool. Yeah, and still got a digital gauge. The Fahrenheit versus Celsius, yeah, a little weird. But whatever, it worked. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to test out a waxed chain to see how that holds up, and hopefully check back in with many more miles to come. At the very least, in about 2 weeks, a little over 2 weeks, I have a metric century ride with the Diabetes, or the American Diabetes Association. So we'll see how that holds up. Well, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this. Please check out my other videos. They'll pop up right over here. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and thank you so much for watching today.